Hi friends, how are you doing? Welcome to a new vlog. I'm at my workplace. I'm just seated under a tree enjoying the breeze. How are you doing? By the way, this side I'm doing great. I just love how I'm looking. Yeah, I love myself. Subscribe if you haven't, comment, like and share. I'm gonna show you my outfit, then we spend this day together. Yeah. You can see the view. We have some mountains over there, hills, let me call it hills. And by the way, it's on a Wednesday. I've just uploaded a video. Let me hope you do watch my videos. I do upload on Wednesday and Saturdays, but nowadays I'm sticking to one video per week, so I'll be uploading on Wednesday alone. Yeah, let me give you a tour of I'm a teacher, I'm in school, so these are our classes. The old class, we don't use it apparently because it is abandoned. We are using currently the new hall, and we have the other hall the other side. We have that block, those are classes, then our water tank. Then down here we have projects for the CBC. Then there we have a tree farm. Yeah. So subscribe to my channel if you haven't. That is Alana. If you haven't, comment, like and share my videos, besties. Help me get to 2k subscribers and help me get the 4,000 watch hours here. I'm updating my 2026 goals, so stay with me. Subscribe if you haven't, comment, like and share my videos. This is my 2025 goals. Now I'm just confirming whether I achieved them. I transfer some to 2026 and I divide them monthly, then I add some. So I grouped my goals last year, 2025. I grouped my goals into one. I have financial goals, personal goals, health goals, career goals, relationship goals, mental health goals, family goals, then social media goals. I want to start with financial goals. I was to start a side hustle. I did not start it. I was to create and follow a monthly budget. I tried until June there, then I stopped. I was to open 3 accounts, the emergency, lifestyle and sinking. I tried. Then for personal goals, I was to learn how to edit. I did not. I was to go on a regular self-date. Did I? I just went once or twice. Then get better at saying no. Did I? Almost. Then health goals, I was to gain weight. I've gained weight lately. Then I was to eat healthy. I've tried. Meditate, not really. Then on career goals, I was to attend networking events. I did not. Then I was to get to work 10 minutes earlier. I'm still trying that. Then relationship goals, have regular date nights, meet my friends regularly. I'm not. Mental health goals, focus on positivity. I've tried. Set boundaries and stick to them here. Family goals, connect more with my mom. I've tried. Make phone calls at least 5 times per week. I've tried. Gift my family members. Did I? Not really. So I'm pushing that to 2026. For social media handles, I have YouTube, Instagram and TikTok. For the YouTube, I was to create more clear videos. I've tried. Then learn how to edit. I have not. Increased my views to at least 100 per videos. No. So if you are watching my videos, please recommend to your best friends and to your friends and to your colleagues. Work on getting the watch 10 hours. I've tried. Get a new phone with good camera. I did not get a new phone. Start shooting short content. I have not, but I'll be consistent. Then on Instagram, post quality pictures twice per week. No. On Facebook, be consistent. On TikTok, be consistent. I haven't. So I want to write down now some goals I want to transfer to here, and while others I maintain it the way they are. Yeah. So let me focus. Subscribe if you haven't, besties. Comment, like, and share my videos, please. I'm done with prepping the vegetables. These are terere and managu, or mchicha and managu. Yeah. We are going to have this one meat and